हेलो दोस्तों, नमस्कार। Wanted to test pure coffee? No idea? No worry. You can test your coffee. Yeah, how? Let's see. Yes, you can taste. Yes. You can taste your coffee. Your coffee. Oh, no need. That was so costly machineries. You don't need roasting, big roasting machineries which is lakhs. Even grinder also you don't need. You can have your own coffee. You don't need this espresso machines. What you do, you need coffee bean, which is you have in your garden. Let's have this coffee and use your roasting unit. Very cheap. This small machine having a capacity of roasting batch of 250 grams. You can make your own coffee by using simply your gas stove where you are cooking. Just simply to place this machine on your gas stove and regulate the flame. You can have a beautiful your own coffee roasted bean, and that to be you can reach up to your coffee in your cup. Look at this, roasting. So is this roasting in any way it's inferior, or I feel just look at this color, it uniformly roasting, and that makes your coffee so uniform and so unique. So these machineries we can make it in very low cost. But there's a different kind of roasting you can do it. Some will be a lemony flavor, some will be souriness. What we need to do is just use your grinder, grind it. Even if you don't have any filter, South Indian filter for a pour over, simply use I just invented these and using up simply tissue paper on a tea strainer. Just take 18 to 20 gram for 2 grams, 2 cup of coffee, and just pour hot water on it. So leave it for just 1 minute, and you will get a fine decoction within a short span. Feeling who will do all this work? If you want a pure coffee, you need to have a patience, and that to be 1 minute. It's not more than that. Look at this, and so transparent, clear decoction. It came off. It's a pure coffee. If you want to enjoy your own coffee, you can experiment. You want to do an experiment with your own coffee, this is the best method I suggest you. Add sugar as per your taste. So if you don't want sugar, use that also can skip, and just need to allow it to boil up to boil. Don't overboil it because it loses its aroma. And serve it in hot and in a black form. I'm damn sure you'll enjoy your coffee. You may not be knowing your coffee is so good. On your backward, you are selling it in very less price. For the contact, please